Grab an egg and 2 bananas. This snack will fill you up all afternoon. In a pan, add about 3 tablespoons of sugar and spread it evenly. Once it's caramelized, add the sliced banana. Sprinkle some cinnamon on top. Now let's set this aside. In another bowl, crack an egg. Add a tablespoon of butter, 5 tablespoons of milk. Now let's add sugar. I use 2 tablespoons, some vanilla, and mix well. Then add about 5 tablespoons of flour. Next, pour all the batter over the bananas. Folks, I forgot, add a tablespoon of baking powder. Don't forget. Now cover and let the cake bake well. Test it with a fork. When it comes out clean, it's ready. Loosen the sides and flip the cake onto a plate. Look how amazing this banana cake is. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs. See you next time. Thanks.